In this video, we're enjoying another backyard adventure, and we've got a few things to tell you about, so come along with us to downtown Pensacola. Hey everybody, Troy and Andrea here, and we are in downtown Pensacola, and we just love it here. We're on Palafox Street. It's the heart of downtown. There's so much to do. There are restaurants and shops and just all kinds of stuff. There's activities that go on the weekend. Sometimes they shut the street down and you can just walk and have a festival or whatever's going on. It's awesome.
So one of the first things that we would like to say is thank you very much to all of our new subscribers. We now have more subscribers than we thought we would ever have. So anyway, thank you so much for all of our new subscribers.
So talking about life's adventures in the Spradlin household, this morning we woke up and found out that the path for Tropical Storm Fred is going to make landfall in Pensacola. So we'll be preparing for that this week, and we hope that we don't get the storm, but if we do, we'll definitely document that. And a lot of people want to know what it's like to go through a hurricane or tropical storm, so stay tuned for that. So in the last couple of months, we've actually gotten to do a lot of adventures. We went down to South Florida for our vacation. We made 6 videos while we were down there. They're a combination of just sightseeing, bike adventures, bike reviews. So we'll put some links to that, so check those out. But some of the things we're excited about coming up is more foodie adventures. We've done 2 here recently. We've got more coming up. We've got a lot of fun stuff, and there's just so much to see and do and eat. And a lot of it is right downtown here in Pensacola. So one of the reasons we're walking around is to put some things on the list.
Yes, and I'm going to be doing some more bike reviews, and there'll be some more adventures on bikes coming up. I've got some bike packing trips planned and things like that. So there's going to be a lot of different things, lots of little adventures. Well, it's been a fantastic day, another one of our backyard adventures. Listen, we went down one of our favorite drives, the beautiful Scenic Highway. We just love that because it goes over hills and you see all these big houses and great, wonderful views of the bay, and it's just so green. We just love that drive. Scenic Highway is so beautiful. And then we went downtown and we ate at one of our new favorite places, one of the places we did our foodie review on at Jordan Valley, and the food is just so good. We really enjoyed it. And then we just walked around downtown and checking out all the different things. We love downtown, for example, the Sanger Theater that's down there that we've been to several times, and just that old New Orleans style that they have. It's just such a cool little place, and we really enjoyed it. And so now we are wrapping up the day back here at another place that Andrea got recommended on their foodie group.
One of the things I love about Pensacola is that we have an awesome Pensacola Foodies group on Facebook. It is my go-to resource to find out about restaurants, desserts, coffee shops, which brings us to our last stop of the day. We are at the Drowsy Poet Coffee Break Cafe. I learned about it this past week, and one of the things that was recommended was the white mocha, and that's what I have today that I'm trying. Pretty good. Good recommendation.
Thanks for joining Andrea and me on another one of our little adventures. Well, what'd you get?
I found this awesome pillow. So first of all, these are the colors of our house inside, but we love Pensacola, but here we are, Milton, we're on the map. We've got Pace, we've got Baghdad, like all of our little places that we go and live, and Navarre, like it's all on here. It's the perfect pillow we needed in our house.